Hello everyone, welcome to all of your online YouTube class. This is Shani Kumar Gupta. Today we have discussed about class 12th English chapter 1 and that's the part 2 of video. पिछले क्लास में जैसे हम लोग बात कर चुके हैं पार्ट 1 में 31 क्वेश्चन के बारे में डिस्कस किए थे। ऑब्जेक्टिव का जो मेन क्वेश्चन होता है तो आज हम वैसे ही आज बात करेंगे, आपको इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे इसके सेकेंड पार्ट में। इसमें भी कुछ ऐसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है जो इंग्लिश के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और वो आपको एग्ज़ाम बेस्ड क्वेश्चन रहेंगे। हमसे जुड़े रहने के लिए आप स्टूडेंट गाइडलाइन यूट्यूब पे सर्च करेंगे, सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर दबाएंगे ताकि आपको सभी अपडेट आप तक सबसे पहले पहुँचे। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का सेशन। सो स्टार्ट दैट टुडेज फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु सेट अ लिमिट टू आवर इंटेलिजेंस? Whose? Our ancestors. Our ancestors set a limit our intelligence. Okay. Next question 33 question is he used as the chief weapons truth and non-violence. It means that answer is truth and non-violence. Okay. You also know that chapter name is Indian Civilization and Culture, and that's written by Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. So next question 34 question, what is largely a mental condition? Largely a mental condition is happiness. That's the happiness is the largely mental condition. Okay, next question 35 number question says our ancestors disused us from luxurious and pleasures. That answer is luxurious and pleasures. Next question is 36 number question says we must dash and dash whatever is good and capable in European civilization, and that's the first option adopt. That's first option answer is adopt, and second assimilate. That answer is we must adopt and assimilate whatever is good and capable in European civilization, and that's the answer. Next question 37 number question says who have to remodel their outlook, and that's the Europeans is remodel their outlook. Next question 38 number question says people in ancient days were satisfied with villages. That's the villages. It means ancient time more than people are satisfied in villages. 39 number question says our forefathers saw that king and their swords were inferior to. That's the answer is the swords of Athens. So that's your answer is here. Okay, next question 40 number question says the Gujarati equivalent for civilization means. What is your answer? That's the answer is good conduct. It means that Gujarati equivalent for civilization means good conduct. Next 44 number, in ancient days the common people follow what? Agriculture. It means in ancient time more than peoples are follow agriculture. 42 number question says modern civilization is the worship of material. Modern civilization is worship of material. Okay, 43 question says our civilization, our culture, our swaraj depends upon self denial. It means that answer is self denial. Okay, your answer is self denial. Okay, next question discuss our ancestors enjoy dash rule. That's a very important question for you. Home rule. It means home rule our ancestors enjoy. Next question says 45 number, the European are becoming slabs of material comforts. Okay, next question says civilization is the real sense of the term consists in the? That's a very large question, and that's a large answer also. So firstly you remember only one by one points. Okay, just like if you remember only one line question, then if more than question, more than option available, it means four option available and you choose only one answer, that's the right answer. So firstly you remember only right answer, after that you choose which is the right answer and which is the wrong answer. That's the answer is civilization is the real sense of the term consists in the dash. What is your answer? Deliberate and voluntary constriction of wants. That's your answer. Okay, so you remember that's answer. Next question, who remains immovable in the midst of all? That's the India. Okay, next question, 48 number question says her. Here Mahatma Gandhi talks about the main dash of Indian civilization and culture features. That's a feature. Next question, 49 number. The the tendency of Indian civilization is to uh, elevate. What's your answer? Moral being. That answer is moral being. Next answer is question 50 number. Indian civilization is dash. Indian civilization is base and belief in God. Indian civilization is base and belief in God. Next question. This is her beauty. This is her beauty. Whose beauty is the author saying about? Whose beauty? It means India. Mahatma Gandhi says this is her beauty. Whose? India. This is her India beauty. Next 52 number question says Indian people are charged of being uncivilized. What you charged? Uncivilized. Next question, according to Mahatma Gandhi, India is that it in all circumstance remains immovable. Remains immovable. 54 number question says our forefathers did not invent machinery because they now your answer is they now we would become slaves. Okay, next question says 55 number question, Indian civilization and culture has been written by Mahatma Gandhi. You also know that's a very simple question. 56 number question says the sentence after all there is something in Hinduism that has kept in alive up till now is take form with Indian civilization and culture. Okay, next question and last question for today. In ancient days the common people has been written by who's written? That's the Mahatma Gandhi. Okay my dear, today's our first chapter English Indian civilization and cultures are complete, and next day we have discussed about our next chapter and next subject. So thanks for watching the video. You also subscribe my channel A Student Guideline, and you also press the bell icon and you take all notification and first. Okay, thank you so much. Jai Hind.